Road trip, unpacked. Hello dear learners. Today, we're diving into the phrase, road trip. This term has both a literal and cultural significance, especially in countries like the USA. Let's understand what it means and how you can use it in your conversations. A road trip typically refers to a journey taken by car over a longer distance than your daily commutes or regular short drives. It's not just about the destination. The journey itself, the scenery, the stops along the way, and the experiences make up the essence of a road trip. In many cultures, especially in American pop culture, a road trip signifies freedom, adventure, and self-exploration. Many movies, songs, and books emphasize road trips as a means to discover oneself, bond with travel companions, or just enjoy the vast landscapes. Think of the classic imagery: a convertible on an open highway, wind in the hair, and endless possibilities ahead. Understanding a term is one thing, but knowing how to use it is equally important. Here are some example sentences with road trip. 1. We're planning a road trip to the Grand Canyon next summer. This indicates a planned journey by car to a specific destination. 2. Ever since watching that movie, I've been dreaming of a road trip across the coast. 3. Packing snacks is essential for a road trip. This emphasizes the preparation aspect of a longer journey. Hit the road. This is an informal way of saying, to begin a journey, or to leave a place. For example, we need to hit the road by 5 a.m. to avoid traffic. Road warrior. This refers to someone who travels frequently, especially for work. It can sometimes also refer to someone experienced or enthusiastic about road trips. So, the next time someone mentions they're going on a road trip, you'll not only understand the literal journey by car but also the sense of adventure and exploration attached to it. We hope this video has made you a bit more familiar with the term road trip. Happy learning, and maybe even happy road tripping!